My people love the devil. Tell the NAACP they ain't no fucking rebels. Revolution marching in circles, same fucking level. But wanna talk about oppression. All I see is closed churches, open popping bottle sessions at LaCour. Like what the fuck was George Floyd for? I mean sure, ain't nothing wrong with good times, but if you're at war, then don't you think it's time to get the scrap? Like is you really about this shit, it is you care. That's why I think my people love the devil. We love the way that he dressed, the way he glorify money, murder, and sex. It's the best, ain't it? God must be proud of these grown niggas with breasts, ain't it? I wonder what he think about Joe Biden pushing sex changes for children and shit. I mean, look at God, right? I mean, it's his side. It can never be denied. That's why I think this country love the devil. Your villains, wars, killing, swords, stealing, oil, drilling, Geppetto. Files, new Pinocchio, Pleasure Island. Save the children, we laugh at the facts, so the devil smiling. Nick Cannon spoke truth on the Jews, but instead of y'all encouraging Nick, you let him get canceled. We forever wildin' out of all these people. You let Cardi B lead you to vote for this retarded sequel, while the Democratic Party deceived you to think that Donald Trump was Hitler, and all of a sudden they targeting evil and care so much about darker skinned people. And Black Lives Matter supposed to be this positive lethal force who screaming fuck the police so that we all can be equal. But when it's black on black crime, in the darkness they leave you and tell you that ain't what it's about. But it's obvious, we don't never see y'all when his body's trapping. We sorry, but it ain't no news cameras. Can you still make it? Click, y'all ain't slick. Fuck Black Lives Matter, all cops are not bastards, but I'm pretty sure that you motherfuckers is all actors. And you love the devil, hate speech, fake, preach, play, sweet. While you stirring up confusion and you playing on my people's emotion, using the news, and people love the devil. Fans tune into transhuman plans. You been scammed, Truman Show. These Democrats stealing more than a vote. And I just wanna know, is it devil, is it God above below? Is you in it for your body or your soul? Body or the soul?